Hello students, welcome to Prabhavi Academy. Today we are discussing class 9 circles exercise 9.2. In that first one, two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. So here there are two circles, circle 1 and circle 2, C1 and C2 I call, and circle 1 is having the radius 5 centimeter and C2 circle 2 is having the radius 3 centimeter and their distance distance between their centers is given, it is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is the distance of their centers. Now find the length of the common chord. So the common chord here is PQ. PQ is the common chord. Its length is to be calculated. So in this, what are given? C1 and C2, circle 1 and circle 2, and their radii are given. Radius of circle 1 is 5 centimeter and radius of circle 2 is 3 centimeter and distance between their centers, distance between their center is 4 centimeter. These are the given, and to find length of common chord is R. So solution here you can see two triangles, triangle POX and triangle QOX. So in triangles POX and in triangle QOX, PO is equal to QO. PO is equal to QO because radii of same circle. Radii of circle 1, and similarly px is equal to similarly px is equal to qx. Here also they are the radii of same circle, radii of circle 2, and you can also see ox is equal to xo is the common side for both these triangles. So by S side congruency, the triangle POX and QOX are congruent by S congruency criteria. S congruency criteria, they are congruent, and here you can say POX is equal to angle QOX because corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT. So this I call as equation number 1, and also here we can take one more triangle, that is POR, POR and QOR. In triangle POR and in triangle QOR, you can see PO is equal to QO. Already we have seen. The reason is radii of same circle. That is circle number 1. And you can also see the angle POR is equal to angle QOR by equation number 1. By equation number 1, POR angle is equal to QOR, and you can see the side OR is equal to OR. OR is equal to OR. It's a common side. So looking at all these, side, an angle and a side, you can say that triangle POR is congruent to triangle QOR. That is by SAS congruency. So therefore, here you can say that angle PRO is equal to angle QRO, because they are congruent triangles, so corresponding angles are equal. PRO is equal to QRO. So this is by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So I call this equation as 2, and we can also see that PR is equal to RQ. Why PR is equal to RQ? Why? The reason is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This I call as equation number 3. Here you can see that PQ is a line. PQ is a line. See, PQ is a line. So you can write here, since PQ is a line, you can say that PRO plus QRO, PRO plus QRO is equal to 180 degree, because it's a line. So I can call as linear pair. So therefore PRO is equal to QRO. In the last slide we have seen that PRO is equal to QRO. So PRO is equal to QRO. Therefore I can say that PRO plus QRO, I will write again PRO itself, because PRO is equal to QRO. That's the result. So here 180 degree. So PRO plus PRO, 2 PRO is equal to 180 degree, and PRO is equal to 180 by, if you transpose this 2, it will be divided. So therefore PRO is equal to 2 ones are 2 90s. So PRO is equal to 90 degree. So that means QRO is equal to angle QRO is equal to PRO is equal to 90 degree. These both angles are 90 degree, and also PRX is equal to QRO. PRX is equal to QRO. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent, and the line PQ and the line PQ is having two angles, that is PRO and QRO, and both PRO and QRO are same. Therefore, PRO plus PRO I can write here, and then PRO plus PRO is equal to 180. PRO plus PRO is 2 PRO, so PRO is equal to 90 degree. Since PRO is 90 degree, QRO is equal to PRO is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, PRX is equal to QRO. These are vertically opposite angles. Now, let our OR is equal to X. So OR is here. OR I will take as X. Okay. So already OX, that is the distance between the centers of the two circles, is given. How much it is? 4 centimeter. Okay. Now we don't know OR. So I have taken X. So let us take OR as X. So here XR is equal to OX minus OR. That means OX is O to X is 4 centimeter, and OR I have taken X. So XR is equal to 4 minus X. So taking these, I can continue in triangle OPR. In triangle OPR and in triangle XPR. So you can make out here, in triangle OPR and in triangle XPR. In these two triangles, let us see what happens. So here, applying Pythagoras theorem in the OPR, hypotenuse is OP. So hypotenuse square, that is OP square, is equal to PR square plus OR square. And in case of XPR, the hypotenuse is XP. So therefore, XP square, hypotenuse square, is equal to PR square plus XR square. And now we have already OP, that is the radii of the circle 1. It is given, that is 5 centimeter. OP square is 5 square. PR square we don't know, and OR is X. So X square it is. Now PR square is equal to 5 5s are 25. So I will write it later. 5 square minus X square. So PR square is equal to 25 minus X square. Okay. So this I will take as equation number 4, and this side xp square is the radii of the second circle. It is given 3. So it is 3 square. pr square plus xr square. So xr we have already taken as 4 minus x. So it's square. Now 3 3s are 9. pr square plus. So this looks like 4 minus x whole square looks like a minus b whole square. So that is equal to, we know, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is 4 square plus x square minus 2 into 4 into x. So here 9 is equal to pr square plus 4 square is 16 plus x square minus 4 to the 2 4 the 8 x. And now pr square is equal to 9 minus 16 minus x square plus 8x. So pr square is equal to minus 7 minus x square plus 8x. So here you can see pr square, pr square. So the values of these, the first pr square, that is this one, is 25 minus x square is equal to this pr square, that is the value is minus 7 minus x square plus 8x. So here minus x square get cancelled, 25 remained, minus 7 plus 8x. I will take the 7 this side, so it becomes 25 plus 7 is equal to 8x, and 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 is equal to 8x, and x is equal to, if you transpose this 8 this side, 32 by 8 it becomes. And now 8 ones are 8 fours are. So here x value becomes 4. So putting this value in, put x is equal to 4 in equation number 4. Equation 4 is this equation. If I put the value, what I will get? pr square is equal to 25 minus x value is 4 square. So I will get pr now, 25 minus 16. So pr is equal to 9. Sorry, pr square is equal to 9, and pr is equal to under root 9. So pr value is 3. So pr is 3. That means, therefore here pq we know, pq is equal to 2 pr. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the 6 meter, if it is centimeter, right centimeter, I think it is a meter. So 6 meter is the length of common chord. The length of common chord is 6 meter. So this is the answer.